Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. I am bowing this way because I don't want ring light in my glasses. This is so funny. In today's look, I'm going to use the Artist Couture palette again. I'm going to do a single eyeshadow look for all the people who like to wear single eyeshadow looks. So I want to be fair. I want to do my wild, crazy makeup, the makeup that people like, and then the makeup that people enjoy. I try to serve because I enjoy playing and having fun in makeup. Now let me take these glasses off. I just finished shaving my eyebrows. I use this to shape my eyebrows. I do it myself, so this is what it looks like. And then I use the UOMA concealer as a base today. So I'm using a darker base today. Let's see what the color is going to look like with a darker base. Okay, so the color I'm going to use today is, ooh, I almost dropped my little palette. This color right here, it looks like this. And when I put it on my hand, this is what it looks like. That's the color I'm using today. And it is pigmented, as you can see. And it looks like this in the palette. I'm trying to hurry up before the construction crew show up. They haven't shown up yet. They said they're coming, but I'm trying to do this as fast as possible so we can finish this. And again, this is a one color eyeshadow look for everyone who likes one color eyeshadow. I like one color eyeshadow look sometimes. So that is for you. It's going to be just that. So because I already have a skin color base down, I'm not going all the way up, but the one color eyeshadow will just blend into it so it looks seamlessly. I'm just making the lids a little darker than the rest of the eye. That's what I'm doing right now. The eyes are not finished, but I just want you to see. You see how oily my skin is? I have very, very oily skin. That's why I put a lot of eyeshadow. If I put a little bit, my skin just drinks it in and it will make it oily like this. So after I finish my base, I will put more. So there you go. Story time. Story time. I don't really have too many stories, but this time we have a little story time. Let me get my contour stick. Okay. So there you go, right? I was looking at myself in the mirror. I'm like, oh my god, I used to have a neck. my neck was long, elongated neck. And something ago, I was looking at myself after I was doing my video and I went like this. And if you look on the side, see this? All of this. I was like, when did all of this happen? You see what I mean? This is, you see it? This is loose. As you get older, the elasticity in your skin leaves and you have this. It's like no neck. Everything becomes one. I was like, this is pretty funny. I don't know. I don't remember when it happened, but it has happened. So if you have this, wrinkles and extra skin, don't worry about it. Enjoy it. You're alive, extra skin and wrinkles is the list of your problems. It's the list of my blood. I thought that was so funny when I went like this. I was like, ooh, here we go. Where's my neck? My neck disappeared. And I mean, I had a long neck back in the day when I was younger. Not anymore. My neck is shrinking by the minute. Under my neck is not. But when you do this, it's like you don't see. All you see is this and this. This is so funny. But I just wanted to show you that for story time. That was that. This is too funny. Oh, thank you God for life. Okay, we're gonna go in with the contour stick. I honestly don't know what transformation I'm going for today, but I am going for one. Alright, this is what I'm going for today. Let's see if the jawline looks different. This is too funny. You see? I don't know if you can see. When I contour, you can see it better. This is, I do that often now. I'm like, let me see how my jaw looks. Oh yeah, I got a jaw. It's still there. But this is too funny. Enjoy life, people. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Life is meant to be enjoyed. You know, those little things are little things. Trust me, they are little things. There are people with bigger issues than that, so enjoy that. That is like, that made me laugh so much. And it's still making me laugh. Oh. But this is so good. This is so funny. I'm just starting with the contour today. And since it's my one color eyeshadow, I think that would be perfect to do. Okay, my contour is in. It is just so nice to be alive in this universe. I hope I showed you my UOMA contour stick. Okay. And that'll be my foundation. I'll come back when this is done. Foundation is on and menopause sweat have started, so I cannot do powder. I have to wait for it to dry. So I will be back after I have my powder and we'll do blush, okay? This is the Morphe palette that I got. I'm going into this pink right here. This pink right here. I am back with today's makeup look of the day. This is the one color eyeshadow on hooded eyes. I showed everything as I went along. The only thing I did not show was the Luna Magic Vavavoom, and that is the eye primer. But what I did, I only use it as an eye primer today and let it stay just like this. I didn't put mascara by itself, just to have a different lash look. So this is what I have on my lashes. And this is it. Short quick video before the construction people get here. I am trying to beat them at this today. That's it, folks. Thank you for joining me today in my makeup of the day look. I appreciate you watching the video from the start to the end. There is always a little bit of something at the end. There is always a little bit of craziness at the end. Can never predict what's going to happen in the end. So please watch from start to end. And thank you for watching from beginning to end, because that helps a lot on YouTube. When you watch a full video, YouTube will send you more. They like that. It makes my channel look better. It makes everything good. Share the love. Share the love. I'm sending you love. Share it with somebody else. Self, self, self. Know when to stand strong. And know when to walk away. Some things are not worth your time and energy. Learn to walk away. That is all I have to say today. So I'm asking you, if you like my channel, if you love my channel, if you love my content, if you love just watching me do my thing, subscribe. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Put your notification on, because I wake up every morning and I come and I do an eyeshadow look and I have fun doing it. Take your palette out, follow as I go, put it on pause, do your blending. If you don't feel like doing blending, that's okay too. What makes you happy with your palette is what you do. It has nothing to do with the outside world or the outside voices. Your happiness comes from within. So remember that. And again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, one color eyeshadow look today on Hooded Eyes. We'll see you in another video. I love life. I love life. I love life. I love life. I like to make people happy, but before I make people happy, I am happy. So if I'm not feeling up to it, I tell people, hey, today, I don't have enough to pour into you. I just need to keep pouring into me. When I'm overflowing, then I will pour into you. But at the same time, give me some time. That's it. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.